Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Prestone Tunsong habakren halor ke jingmi banyaki jong kiseng bahalang hakini gi kendiat sngi ulong baya Baroh kaan kedai kaan badu kerpat ban burom ya kaan ula ben rapru da ka baong baki beri ke bapet ya kaan kidai ban ne ya ka badon kam habaya dei ba ke jingi kendu jong kiseng bapher ba Menteri Kampo yeng uba lakamen rembui nakaleng ba Prestone lapen pau ya ke jing sngo tenat ya ke jingi kendu ke jongki badu Menteri Kampo yeng ke Jelah Ulai thuru bakin se kendu ya hakalai terik unai wing bar ula benrap da ka baong kumbanga ong ka jingkhang jungi ka plie habadan kinu ki isu ka baki kwa bania kren ngidan hangni bania kren bat ya phliu jing mot lang na kalyang ba Prestone ula kermen ru ba ka jing ya kendu kan nong ka ba seiso bat ba kandan kasuk kesan ha ka Jelah
Pi den ta bang pi ni Baroh la pi ong mangane mano manu kaan ke dekaan de ka bang kerpati kolong bang ide ban burom ya kaan bat ba abang om kaan kilo enforcing agency ka mot ya ble ya ka bade ne ha ka bade pada bat ka jing bu appointment jongki menen ha ka ba home minister la ilai kandu de ngasong tenat sebon lai kandu ya kini seng halang ki leaders de nakaliang jongaru lasai kasngi ki bu appointment biang sabat ngaru de again tomorrow ngani kendu iki kum mga ong epi ba kancing kang jongi kapli apa secretary haba don kanu ki issue la don kanu ka agenda ka bangi kwa mani kren ni don hande bangin ni kren ni sulok ni pelu jumur lang bat bang kren skem ba ni ki seng halang lu lasai ni kendu ni along ka constructive discussion hab deng jong ni nak lihat komen bat nak lihat joki ki issue ki ba ini keren ni kata ngam parlamen omong ke la shay ni sekulu ini keren sebabnya ba la kum nur kum ngopi ngin ya le kan pala ban penting na ba kalau no do kam dei balak ban simti manung kan ngina ya kan manung kan kum la in fact see I think this is the only government who, in spite of the fact that the challenges we made or we faced right from 2018 till today, it was too much. But you never see any unfortunate incident that has happened. So people thought that we are boneless, we are weak from the government side. But if you ask even the NGOs, they will say, this is the only government who's approachable, who's accessible to any issues relating to the interests of the public in the state.
So the protests in the last couple of weeks, do you somewhere see that these were politically motivated?
For that I have no comment. As I said you, I don't know whether it is politically motivated or not. I think let the people judge. If it is so, people will judge, people will understand. But as of now, I don't have any comment on that question. As I said to you, because personally I'm taking it that okay, they are also concerned, governments are concerned. So we will sit down, walk out how to proceed further and then to make sure that law and order in the state prevails at any cost.
Is proving that the law and order situation is deteriorating in Meghalaya and the state. What do you
No,
say?
in fact, it is not at all deteriorating. Whatever you say, that procession they had after the meeting. Well, now again, the law will proceed, and you must have seen few arrests also made. Then number two, yesterday, because unfortunately I was not also in station. I went down to my meeting in my constituency, so I came to know only in the evening. I'm sure, as I said to you, leaders of the NGOs, they are also responsible.